Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to link QuickBooks to TurboTax. Connecting your financial records is a smart way to simplify tax preparation. This process helps ensure accuracy and saves you many hours of manual data entry. We will cover the essential steps, from preparing your QuickBooks data to successfully importing it into TurboTax, making your tax filing experience much smoother and less stressful. Before importing, it is crucial to prepare your QuickBooks data thoroughly. First, ensure all your income and expenses are correctly categorized. Next, assign the appropriate tax lines to each account. This helps TurboTax understand your financial picture. Finally, reconcile all your bank and credit card accounts to guarantee that your QuickBooks records are complete and accurate, preventing potential discrepancies during import. Now, let's move on to importing your prepared data into TurboTax. Begin by opening your tax return in TurboTax. You can also start a brand new one. From the main menu, select File, then choose Import, and finally click from Accounting Software. You will then select QuickBooks and follow the simple on-screen instructions to locate and import your specific data file. After the import is complete, the final and most critical step is to thoroughly review all the data within TurboTax. Take your time to check for accuracy and ensure everything is complete. If you find any missing information or need to make adjustments, do so carefully. Once you are confident that all your tax return details are correct, you can proceed with filing, knowing your financial information is precise.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.